Kigina kia Inua Jamii gikoragwo kirongoreirie guteithia andu aria akuru a kumia miaka 70 aria mena wathe hamwe na ciana cia ndigwa, o mundu akiamukira muigana wa ciringi 2,000 o mweri. Umuthi thirikari kugerera minista wa uruti wira wa muingi Ukur Yatani ni yaniriire kurekererio gwa kimanjika gia ciringi bilioni 8.5 kuri andu makiria ma milioni 1 cikirugamirira mweri wa gatano na wakana na oho wa gatano nginya wa gatandatu mwaka uyu.
And from the day today, 27 June 2019, payments to various beneficiaries will be done with effect from this minute and will be at all county offices, at the same time the various banks scattered all over the country.
Aria maragunika megukorwo makiamukira o mundu ciringi 8,000 thiini wa ikereka ria mieri ena ya mwaka uyu iria matakoretwo makiamukira.
The beneficiaries are expected to access their cash from their various branches or contracted bank agents with effect from the said date.
Niongereire mogaruruku maria mekirwo ma mbeca ici kwamukagirwo imwe kwa imwe kugerera bengi ni ikinya riega na ria guteithia andu kwamukira mbeca ciao hatari na morito.
Migration is that the beneficiary, irrespective of age and the various disability, will now operate normally and get the money in whatever quantities they want, unlike in the past where they are now given the 4,000 per cycle at once.
Oho akiongerera ati undu uyu ni uguteithia gukuria economy ya bururi kuona kigina giki ni kirateithia andu kwanjiriria tafarira ngurani iria iramaguna.
Even engaged in income generating activities by buying livestock or participating in other enterprises. This will be a very important undertaking because it go a long way in fighting poverty, reducing poverty at that level.
Ministry no ikiuga thiini wa mwaka wa kigina wa 2019-2020 ni maratanya kurekagiriria kigina giki mategucererwo na kuria mongereire aria matahotete kuhingura account cia bengi ni mekurorwo ikereka-ini riria rikurumirira. Handu-ini ha Njata TV, ritwa riakwa ni Njeri wa Njoroge.